So I have finally got me one of these little microphones for my content, and I'm super excited because I've been waiting for so long, well, to just have clearer videos, but also I really wanted to hear the sound of my exhaust with one of these. Now I know what it sounds like without one. It's all right. It's only had a res delete. Other than that, it's just the same stock exhaust. So let's hear what it sounds like. I'm really excited. Let's go.